have 3 shares of GameStop? So. Hi everyone, this is Camilla, the Focus Spender, and welcome to my channel. On my channel, I teach you how to get out of debt, save more money, and invest so that you can build generational wealth and leave a lasting legacy. So if you have been following the news this week, you know that the price of the GameStop stock has gone up tremendously. I have been getting so many text messages from friends asking whether they should buy GameStop, should they buy some other $5 stock and hope that it's going to go up. And you know, the world has been, of course, in a frenzy over what's going on. So what is going on with GameStop? Well, there's a forum on Reddit called Wall Street Bets. And a while ago, they noticed that a lot of hedge funds were shorting the GameStop stock, meaning these hedge funds were making the bet that the price of the GameStop stock was going to go down and that they can make money off of the price going down. Now, what does that mean? So shorting a stock basically means, let me give you this analogy. So let's say your mother buys a bag and she's like, oh, look at this new bag. I got it for $100 at Macy's. It's so cute. What do you think? And you're like, okay, it's okay. But in your mind, you're thinking she paid full price. I know for a fact that Macy's has a one-day sale every Wednesday. And on Wednesday, it's going to be 50% off. So you say, Ma, you know what? Let me borrow that bag for a second. I have someplace to go. I want to use it. So you borrow the bag. Tuesday, you go and return the bag, get $100. And then Wednesday, you go back to Macy's and you buy it for 50% off. And then you give the bag back to your mother. Now you have made $50 and she is none the wiser. Now, let's say Beyonce is photographed wearing that bag. And instead of Macy's putting that bag on 50% off sale, they either leave the price as is, if you're lucky, or they start to increase the price because people are now running in, flocking to buy that bag. So let's say people are flocking in to buy that bag and your mother is like, Beyonce is wearing this bag. I want my bag. I want to be on the gram. I want to stunt. I want to be fly. And so now instead of you going back to Macy's and getting this bag for $50, or you even going back to Macy's and only paying $100 because that was the original price, you go back and Macy's is now selling that bag for $200. So now you are losing $100 as opposed to gaining $50 so that your mother can get her bag back. That is basically what is happening with GameStop. Many hedge funds decided that the price of the GameStop stock was overvalued and they assumed that the price was going to go down. And so they were going to make money off of that spread. So basically that's what's been happening. People on Wall Street Bets have been betting that the price was going to go up and people have been buying and buying. And then once they started buying and the price started going up and other people outside of Reddit started to notice, they started buying as well. And the price has been going up and up and up. And people like me are like, I'm going to take my money and run. Run. If you follow my channel, you already know that I am not one to buy individual stocks. I think it's a dangerous game if you are taking all of your money and dumping it into one stock. But honestly, that's what a lot of people have done. Some people have made a lot of money doing that with GameStop. I've seen people say, oh, my son or my daughter, they bought, however many shares of GameStop and then they sold it and they've made $40,000, $50,000. So I know that people are making a lot of money. But there are going to be a lot of people who lose a lot of money because they're going to go and wait to sell and not sure, should I sell now, should I not sell? And they're going to lose money. And if you're trading options, which I'll leave some links in the description box below to better explain it, you are really, you are playing a serious game. And for me, that's not the game that I want to play. I still wholeheartedly believe that you should be investing in ETFs and mutual funds, something that's going to give you a diversified portfolio. And if you're going to buy individual stocks, you're also buying a diversified set of stocks. And you're not saying, I'm going to put all of my money into this stock because it may go up and then I'm going to sell it. And it's not a thoughtful strategy, to say the least. The video that's popping up on the screen right now shows my diversified portfolio and how I keep my money, mixed up well so that I'm not putting all of my eggs in one basket. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this whole GameStop issue and what you're doing to keep your portfolio well diversified. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.